Hey guys, it's Erika. We're gonna be checking out 몬스타엑스. This is Monster Truck 몬스타엑스 home party version for the Mon channel. Yeah, but I'm excited to be checking this out to listen to the track. It's because this I think was one of the track they dropped for their anniversary and stuff. And since they have like a little video, I'm gonna react to it and stuff. I know they have a comeback out and stuff, and I'll get around to it within the next few weeks and stuff. So I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there and stuff. So I'm excited for this. I have no idea what to expect, but you know, it's a monster truck party. So let's go. Monster truck. You're just gonna start with Keyhun like that? And go Yawa? I'm liking the beat though, it's sick. Back to Keyhun, where'd he go? Come from? Shonu? Shonu, boy, watch yourself. Don't be saying these things to me looking like that. I like this though. You got me moving my body. Is that only the four of them? It's a vocal line? I like it though. Okay. I was waiting. Do honey. I am what I am. The way it just sort of goes back into the beat though, okay. I'm feeling it. It's a fun track. It's fun. It's 몬스타엑스. It's always gonna be fun. He drive me crazy. I like this. This is fun. All their little like sets they have. Like, what are they doing in the back there? Like, is making that good? Young are they good? Like this Minhyuk boy, you good? Oh my god. This took a turn. Oh my god. They got a Mercedes mini truck. Mini car. Bonnie and Clyde. This is fun and it's cute. You want to show them 몬스타엑스? I recommend this video. I really like the vibe of it. Sort of has like a 90s sort of vibe. 90s-ish sort of vibe. Throwback, old school sort of vibe to it, which is really fun and stuff. I really like it. It gives something to the track, you know what I mean? And stuff. The visuals are really cool about how they had like their own like separate sets and stuff, and how they were like having fun with it, and it was silly and stuff, and just very 몬스타엑스. But I really enjoyed it. The visuals are really great too. I really love the track. Everybody was killing it and stuff. But like at first you kind of see like the vocal line, and then like the rap line comes in, and then because like they were like separate most of the time, so I'm like, wait, are they coming in? Is this just a vocal line song? Like, I'm gonna take it, but where's my rappers and stuff? But we got them, and so it's all Gucci and stuff. But I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really fun. It warmed my heart, made me smile, made me laugh. made me happy. 몬스타엑스 monster truck. Go to put your thoughts and comments down below what you thought about 몬스타엑스's monster truck. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you liked me and you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to see my videos the second they come out, hit that notification button. If you want to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all in the description down below, or at the end screen, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
You got me, and I'll be on the way in the middle of the night. It's something in the way you've been running my mind. If you want me to stay for the rest of my life, you got me. Remember all the nights like this, slipping into Motel 6. We take all off the back streets.